This is our ceiling. Ow. So we're in kitchen number 1. We're having people over soon. And every day I've been looking at the ceiling thinking, that crack seems to be getting bigger and it seems to be falling down. And today, I am sure it is falling down. Why is that keeps going out of focus? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Tom's making a fire so that when it falls down we can watch it and be warm. We're gonna get the popcorn and watch the ceiling fall in our kitchen.
That was interesting. I've never seen a ceiling fall down before. Only on movies. This is real life.
Believe
cool.
And that's the place where he tried to change the light almost 2 years ago, and we still haven't had the electrician in. This is fun.
But I think, honestly, when I look at this, so what this, technically from a construction perspective,
Yep,
you have your joist, which is flat and smooth, right?
yep,
And level.
yep,
And then your lath go on that.
yep,
So your ceiling should be completely flat and level,
right,
because that's how it was designed.
okay,
You look at our ceiling, it's concave,
right,
which means that here it's up where it's supposed to be,
Uh-huh.
and there it's up where it's supposed to be.
uh-huh,
But the distance from those high points to the middle point, which is the low point, is the sag in the plaster.
So you're basically saying that this whole thing could just fall down.
It could, theoretically, I think it could.
Theoretically, we could be sitting in here eating dinner and the ceiling could fall on
I
us.
think theoretically it could, and I think actually if I try to push this back up,
Uh-huh.
in theory, we might want to get everything out of here that we don't want damaged.
Oh my God.
Like if I look in here, it's a couple inches, it's 1.5 to 2 inches off the lath. There's absolutely nothing holding it here. Because I tried pushing this up, I mean this is brittle stuff.
Yeah, it just makes me nervous you even messing with it, because it's, yeah.
So I'll just leave it.
We'll just leave it and hope for the best.
I suppose if we come in and gutted the house, we wouldn't be having this video.
Well, that's true. You know, everyone else comes in and guts their house.
Right.
Not us. We came in and decorated it.
Right.
Oh, you know, we started these videos out funny, all in fun, and little by little the tone of our videos is getting more and more serious. Yeah, that's where we're going with this. We started out, oh, look at us, we're putting patio lights up at by our farmhouse, and isn't this fun? We just decorated these barns all cute. Look at them. Oh, look, we did the floor in the barn. And now we're dealing with our roof is leaking, our pipes are leaking, our ceiling in our kitchen is falling down, literally. But what I don't understand is why it would stay up for 200 years and now decide it needs to fall down.
Because it was waiting for us.
Yeah. Why is it waiting for us?
Because we're special.
Uh-huh. Okay, we're about 2 inches down from the lathing strips in there. And it's getting bigger. And it's cracking further. As the drama goes on, Tom is heading out to Lowe's. It's the only place that whole thing could calm down while you're gone. This isn't going well.